I know. Hey, readers, I've got Nora here with me today. She and I are both confused because on my camera it switches around stuff. So when we move our head this way, I actually thought it was going to go the other way. Anyway, so Nora's here with me today because it's weird. Is it weird?
Yeah.
It's weird. But today, guys, I want to teach you that when readers read expository text, when they read information books, and they try to come up with what they think the main idea is for the passage, or for part of the passage, they write their ideas down, or they think their ideas in pencil. Nora, what makes a pencil different from a pen?
It can erase.
It can erase, exactly. When you write in pencil, you can erase. That means you can revise, you can change. Because when you read and you set out what you think the main idea is, a lot of times it can change. And so you need to be able to erase that idea and revise or change it. It can be revised by becoming more specific or by becoming more general. And so Nora and I are going to show you how the main idea of a text can change as we read on. Okay. Oh, my book or my computer keeps sliding. Okay. Are you ready, Nora?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to make us smaller. Can I use my arm for a second? All right. So I've got this little book here that I wrote, and huh? We're recording it early in the morning, yeah. All right, so,
Noah?
oh, hi, Eden. Eden, we're going to read a little book. Do you want to read it with us? Okay, it says, I couldn't live without my dog because she provides me with so much company. Okay, so we see kind of an old man with his dog. Okay, so Nora, looking at these pictures and the one we just saw on the first page, what do you think is the main idea of this book?
Wait, I'm dogs with old people.
Dogs provide good company for old people. What do you think, Eden? Do you think it shows dogs provide good company for old people?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, so now let's go to the next page and see if our main idea stays the same or if it changes. Oh boy. We said dogs provide good company for old people. Do you guys still think that's the main idea? What do you think, Eden? You still think that's the main idea? Do you think these are still old people with their dogs?
Yeah.
This little girl's smaller than you. She's not an old person. Nora, what do you think the main idea is now?
Young people.
Well, but we still have those old people. So what about just dogs provide good company for
People.
people? Good. Now let's keep reading on in our book and see if our main idea stays the same. No. We said dogs provide good company for people. But are these dogs?
No.
Eden, come here. Look at these dogs. They're crazy.
Kitties, parrots, and
Oh, okay, never mind. No, this lady has a parrot, and this lady has a cat, and this guy has an iguana. So what do you think the main idea could be now?
pets.
Pets provide...
People.
They provide people. Pets provide good company for people. And then let's see if this last page makes us change or if it makes us stay the same. Got a kid with a goldfish, a guy with a goat, a couple men with a duck, and I think he had a baby chick, and then a little girl with a bunny. Do you still think it's about pets provide good company for people?
Yeah, pets provide people.
Pets provide good company for people. So today I'm not really teaching you about pets, but I'm teaching you about how your main idea, or what you think the main idea is, can change as you read more. Now, with that particular book, the main idea was more general than we thought at first. We thought it was just going to be about old people, but it actually made us expand it and make it about more than just dogs and old people, made it into pets and people. Thank you, Nora. Okay, now One thing that we did in our first reading unit was when we would read new things, we would ask ourselves, does this fit with something I've already read, or is this new? And you do a similar thing when you're reading nonfiction. You think, does this part of the text fit with and extend the part I was just reading, or is this a departure? Is this something new? And if it's something new, then you need to revise your main idea. Now, the exception would be if you're reading in a book that has, like lots of different subtopics. It's expected that those subtopics would have different main ideas. But if you're reading a section and it appears to all be about the same thing, don't be afraid to change what you think the main idea is. Remember, stop and ask, does this extend what I was just reading, or is this something new? And then you continue reading and let that let that drive your main ideas. So, to learn from expository texts, you should. Let me pull up that chart real quick. Nora, I need you to hop off my lap, please.
I got this.
Good job. All right. Well, I don't have it handy. So, to learn from expository text, we've done this anchor chart already, where we said pause after a chunk to grasp the main ideas, supporting details. If there are no subheadings, chunk it yourself, find the main idea. Maybe there's a pop-out sentence. The other day we talked about teaching other people is a strong way to help you learn. It helps you emphasize the main ideas. Oh, there's Pickles! Hey, bud! And it can bring the text to life. And then this final thing is revise your idea of the text's main idea as you read on.
Dad?
Eden, do you have anything you want to say to the kids?
No.
Okay, so you guys are going to go read to self, and as you do, don't be afraid. Oh, yes, there's Curtis. This works out great because I told the kids Curtis and Pickles might make more appearances, so there you go. But as you read on, don't be afraid to change your idea of what the main idea is. Say bye, everybody.
Bye,
Bye, bye.